Good morning, students. Let us start with notice writing. This is the structure of notice. Firstly, the very important thing that you are going to draw lines with the help of pencil and scale. Don't use pen to draw the box. After drawing the box, first and foremost thing is that you are going to start writing with the help of pen. With the pen only, you will write. First is called subheading. The subheading, which is also called catchy heading, in which you just want to draw the attention of the reader. आपने इस कैची हेडिंग के साथ उसको अट्रैक्ट करना है so that he may read the rest of the notice. ये बहुत alluring होना चाहिए, attractive होना चाहिए. After reading it, you should feel that something important is going to be said. So like this. For example, this is a notice that I have given you as homework. In that you have found some gold ring and you want to aware the residents about that. The first thing that will catch the attention of the reader will be found. Means something is found by you. आपको कुछ मिला है तो it is quite obvious that curiosity may be revived. वो क्यूरियस होगा जानने के लिए कि आपको मिला क्या है. So found, find, sign of exclamation I have used as it shows the feelings. A gold ring. What is the matter? A gold ring is found. So a gold ring, I have written main heading. And keep this one thing in your mind, unless you write this main heading, your essay will not be checked. अगर आप नहीं लिखते तो आपका नोटिस चेक नहीं किया जाएगा. So main heading is very very important and this catchy heading is also going to give you extra advantage. अगर आप ये नहीं लिखते तो आपके मार्क्स कट हो सकते हैं. So be cautious. After that, according to the new structure, most of the students adhere to this structure, so that's why I'm going to start with this, in which you are not going to write the sentences. You will write on the date, which date, on this or that date, and the date, as you usually do the blunder in which you write the date like this: 5, then 7, then 2020, 2020. So like this it will be considered wrong. So your date should be in this format: 5th September, comma, then 2020, full stop. Then add, if the exact time is given, then add 7 p.m. But if the time lag is given, then you can write from this to that, from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., 7 p.m. like this. Then place, at community center, South City. So like this, any place. If the place is already given, then you will mention the place that is given in the statement. Clear? Sometimes even we are given the date, time. So that time which is given in the statement you are going to mention. If not given, then assumed one can go. अगर तो नहीं दिया हुआ तो आप अपनी ओर से लिख सकते हो. Otherwise you will have to give the same date, time and place that is given in the statement. Then the last concluding line. The owner can collect it from the T.S. Tucker at Ring Road, Street number 14. So like this, you have already given your address also, and likewise your name. Now one thing more important that you need to remember is regarding designation. In the previous notice, we used to give designation, but in that structure also, like this. This was our previous structure. Draw a line, then pencil, subheading, main heading as we have given in the previous notice. Then we used to write date on the left hand side. So you can write it also. So both are correct. 14 August or September 2020, full stop. Then you can start writing your sentence. And one thing important you need to remember regarding the opening sentence. अगर तो आपने sentence वाला लिखना है, नहीं ये तो second वाला structure है ना, जो आप मोस्टली लिखते हो सीधा ही आप डेट, टाइम और प्लेस लिख देते हो और कंक्लूडिंग लाइन लिख देते हो. बट हियर इन दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर यू आर गोइंग टू राइट सेंटेंसेस. तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस आपका हो सकता है, आई एम the student of Sacred Heart Convent School, Byas. You're not going to write Sacred Heart Convent School, Byas in the designation, but you can write inside the body of the notice. Sorry, you can write here. यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हो. एक चीज और important in the pertaining to the starting line is that if you are given in the statement that you are the head boy of the school, you are the captain of your team, then only you will write the captain of team I, Sumandeep Kaur, the captain of this or that team, you can write. बट अगर आपको यहाँ पे स्टेटमेंट में नहीं दिया हुआ ऊपर कि यू आर द कैप्टन, यू आर द कैप्टन, यू आर द हेड बॉय लाइक दिस, तो यू विल राइट आई एम the student of Sacred Heart Convent School, Byas. You can write here. Then in the body of the whole notice, this is the body of the whole notice, you will write the sentences. आप sentences लिखोगे और उनमें जो चीज़ mention करने वाली important है, event, which event you are talking about, this or that event, for example football match, etc. Then time, किस time पे है, place, date, everything you are going to mention here. Date on which you have put the notice on the notice board, here the date of the event. Clear? So expected audience, for example only 10 standard, only 9 standard, 6 to 10 standard. So which audience is going to participate, which audience is going to come at the venue, you will write here. Clear? So there are two changes. एक तो change मैंने already I have told you कि related to the first line, that if the captain head boy is given, then only you will write. Second change is that designation. Designation is that if it is given in the statement that you are the head boy, that you are the captain of your team, then only you will write your name and designation. For example, Sukhmandeep Singh, captain of the team, or the captain, then only you will write. Otherwise you will not write the designation. See, I have concluded the notice with the last line and no any designation. This will be optional only. If given in the statement, then only you will write. So that's why मैंने इसको बॉक्स में नहीं लिखा. जे पेरिफेरल है, एक्स्ट्रा है, अगर दिया है तो लिखना है, अदरवाइज नीड नॉट टू राइट. क्लियर? नहीं लिखना. Same is the case with the second structure also. I hope that both of the structures are clear to you. Now see the email. Email writing also you are going to draw the lines with the help of the pencil and scale, but you are going to write with the help of pen. From firstly student जो है blunder करते हैं the case of email, that they write new message here. Don't write it. It will be wrong. Then from वो लिखते हैं to they write previously, from they write after it. That will also be considered wrong. Firstly from, then to, then CC. CC means if the receivers of the email are two, then you will write the second address here. जो second वाला person है ना, उसका address आप इस box में लिखते हो. And if you are having only one person, then also you will have to write CC and you will leave this box vacant. कुछ भी नहीं लिखना, बट इसको मेंशन करना है आपने. क्लियर? अदरवाइज मार्क्स विल बी डिडक्टेड. सैल्यूटेशन, एक चीज और है, डेजिग्नेशन के बाद कॉमा नहीं है. डोंट यूज कॉमा आफ्टर डेजिग्नेशन, बट आफ्टर सैल्यूटेशन यू आर गोइंग टू यूज कॉमा. हियर ऑल्सो एंड in the email. ठीक है? You are going to write comma here, but not in the designation. So in the email case also you are going to write sentences. जैसे आपने सेकंड वाला स्ट्रक्चर जो आप लिखते हो, इसमें आप sentences लिखते हो नोटिस में. Likewise in the email also you are going to write sentences. You know fairly well, as you have done the same structure in the 9th standard also. There are minor changes only, rest is the same. So you will have to write the sentences, but in the sentences body of the email you will have to mention date, time, place, and like this the things that are already given in the statement, like event, the name of the event, you can give expected audience, you can write. Clear? So the information that is already given in the statement you will have to mention in the body, but these things are very important. Don't miss them. Likewise, you are going to write them also. So in the case of email also, designation is optional. अगर तो आपको स्टेटमेंट में डेजिग्नेशन दी है ईमेल के, देन ओनली यू विल राइट हियर, अदरवाइज यू विल राइट नथिंग. सी इन द बॉक्स आई हैव रिटन नथिंग. You will just conclude it. You will conclude the last sentence and leave it. Otherwise, with the thanking you is in the to write the designation, thanking you, yours faithfully, no comma, name, then your signature. Signature after that designation. Designation, the captain, the head boy, if given, then only you will write, if given in the statement. Otherwise you are not going to write designation also. I hope that you have already understood notice and email. Now the important thing that you are going to do, that I have given you page number 122. I will send you homework and you will have to write it. Thank you.